Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Tea time is the time where we all enjoy some nice snacks and nice hot tea, and especially during the monsoons we prefer something nice and hot. So today we are going to make these delicious and crispy walnut masala vadas. I can't wait to share this recipe with you. So let's get started and check it out. For the walnut masala vada, I've soaked 1 1/4 cup of chana dal. So this has been soaking for about 3 hours. So you can see they've nicely plumped up. So I'm just going to take 1/4 cup of the chana dal because I'm going to be using this a little later. Keep this aside. Remove the water before grinding. Transfer the chana dal to a mixer jar. To this, add half cup of walnuts, 1 1/2 teaspoons fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon salt. Pulse it a few times. I'm going to add a few ingredients to the vada mixture. First, add 2 medium-sized onions chopped, 3 green chilies chopped, 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger, finely chopped curry leaves, half cup finely chopped coriander leaves. Add 1/4 cup of the soaked chana dal. So I've just chopped 1/4 cup of walnuts. Just going to add those. Walnuts are super versatile and packed with health benefits. Adding them to vadas not only elevates their taste but boosts their nutritional value as well. Including walnuts in your regular meals is an easy and convenient way to make your everyday healthy. At this point, you should check for seasoning to see if you need to add a little bit of salt. Take a little bit of the vada batter, shape it into small balls and just flatten it. So if you flatten it like this, it will cook through evenly. Take a kadai, pour enough oil for deep frying the vadas. Once the oil is hot, gently drop the prepared vadas. Maintain the flame on medium. Deep fry them till they are a nice golden brown color. Crispy walnut masala vadas are ready to be served. Serve them nice and hot with some nice chutney by the side. Wow, there you go. Here are these really crispy walnut masala vadas which make for a perfect evening snack. Now make sure you make them nice and hot and serve it immediately with some nice chutney by the side. So do try these vadas and enjoy.